Hey Lawn Care Nation, welcome to the 2021 lawn mowing season. I know you guys are all excited and chomping at the bit to get started if you haven't done so already. Last week was my first week doing all of the regular cuts for my clients. Yesterday, I actually had a rare rain out. Not that it's rare that it rains here, but it's rare that I don't work in the rain. But the rain was just so heavy. It was like a monsoon that I was like, there's no way I'm going out there today to do some lawn. So it's Thursday, but I'm currently playing catch up doing my Wednesday mows for today. So thought I'd show you guys some of the mowing today. All right, let's get started. So typically when I'm doing a typical lawn, I like to go around the whole perimeter and do all of my flat trimming first. I prefer doing it in that order of flat trimming, then edging, then mowing, then blowing. Just is the way I've always done it, and just the way I prefer doing it. So you'll see I just go around all the edges, doing all that flat trimming, getting into those areas that I know I can't get right to the edge with the mowers, or cutting the corners like you see there, and just getting all those areas that I know I can't get the mower into. Once that's all done, then I like to go and flip the trimmer around, do my 3-point hold, and start edging all the beds with the string trimmer using the .095 Echo Black Diamond string. It does a really good job and leaves a nice crispy edge on sidewalks and beds and all that sort of stuff. Typically when I'm doing the first cut of the season, like I did the previous week, then I bring out the blade edger, and I'll do all the blade edging on sidewalks and driveways, like hard surfaces. But typically for the rest of the season, I'm maintaining all of those edges with just the string. So here you can see I'm using the Xmark Commercial 30 S Series. This is the 2020 model that I got last year, and it's handling the hills and slopes on this property just fine. I haven't had any issues with the transmission or traction with this particular unit. With any of the mowing that I've been doing, it's actually performed really well. A lot of you guys have commented and sent me a lot of questions on this mower, and yeah, it's just been a fantastic unit for my business. It's definitely helped speed up the time it takes to mow all these small little yards versus the 21-inch mower. I've been absolutely loving using the Commercial 30. So a little bit difficult to see in the video here, but in that top corner where the lawn meets the driveway, it's quite a bit saturated there. Got a lot of water being held there, which is funny because you would think with the slope there that the water would all drain really easily, but this lawn is actually one of the challenging ones that I have in terms of water retention. Because of the extra width of the 30-inch mower versus a 21, I have to load the Xmark Commercial 30 in first before I can slide the trimmer in. The trimmer I kind of slide it in over the side of the Commercial 30 and set the string guard there over the front wheel, so it only goes in after the Commercial 30 is in there. There you can see that top corner there. You can see it's a bit muddy right there, so holding a bit of water there. And as we go through the yard, you can see some of the brown areas where water and mud sort of came up as we started mowing. This other side here of the lawn is also probably the most problem section here on the border with the neighbor's yard. You can see the tire sort of starting to rut there with just the amount of water that's being held there. So you can see right there, I got my 3 pieces of equipment, predominantly all I use every day. Just the Echo SRM 2620T, the Echo PB 2520, and of course the Xmark Commercial 30. So all done, off to the next. So there you have it, Lawn Care Nation. First cut of the day done on this one. You can see just how soggy the lawn is, even though the weather is holding up really nice now and the sun's coming out. All that rain that we had all through yesterday and through last night has obviously saturated lawns quite a bit. Even on a lawn like this where you can see a very visible slope to it, you think all that water would have run off, but it's just saturated in the ground. You can see some areas where the tires on that Commercial 30 have left some impressions there with that slope. You'd think it'd be one of the better lawns to be mowing in the rain, but she's just got a lot of clay, and it just retains all that moisture. Not exactly sure what the issue is. She had the whole landscaping redone a few years ago, and I think they put drainage and stuff in around the gardens and stuff, but still obviously not enough to solve all of the issues. So off to the next one.